This is the walkthrough video for PCTC 2022-2023, round 1, and this is the senior version, and this is question 3, square trios. So we're given 3 numbers in some random order, and we want to essentially try and print them out in the correct order based on these. Okay, so let us input our 3 numbers, and let's just add them to a list called nums. So for I in range 3, and we want to add the int input to our list. So what we've done here is we've created a list, and then we're going through a loop 3 times to add the input as an integer to our list. And so nums now just represents the 3 numbers they've entered. Okay, and we essentially need to identify which of the 3 numbers is the side length, the perimeter, and the area of a square. And I guess one thing to note is that the side length is always going to be the smallest of the 3 values, because the perimeter is just going to be 4 times the side length, which is obviously going to be bigger than the side length. And the area is going to be the side length multiplied by itself, which again is going to be bigger than the side length, because we're given positive whole numbers. And so let's start off by trying to find the side length, and that's just going to be side length is going to be equal to the minimum value in this list. And now what we can do is we can try and figure out what the other 2 numbers are, or we can just calculate them, and we'll see what I mean. So let's see, we want to print off the side length first. So let's print off a side length. And the next thing we want to do is print off the perimeter. And so what we can actually do is we can calculate the perimeter instead of trying to find it within our input. So calculating it is just easier because we already know what the side length is. So the perimeter is going to be the side length, just multiplied by 4, because there are 4 sides in the square. And the final thing we want to print out is the area. So of course that's going to be the side length squared, so that's to the power of 2. And hopefully this should get us all the marks. But yeah, there are other ways of doing this. I just thought this is the easiest and the most efficient way to do it. Perfect.